Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to disable virus protection in Windows 11. So let's get started. So just go to your search icon and just type in Windows Security. Now just click on this icon, that is Windows Security. Now just click on virus protection. Now just go to manage settings under the virus and threat protection settings. Now just turn off real-time protection. Click on yes. And now the virus protection is turned off. So this was all on how to turn off virus protection in Windows 11. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.